How to be. How to love life. Travel often. Designate one weekend a month to get yourself out of the city, out of the country, or at the least, out the front door of your apartment. Let the ever-changing scenery of your life keep you inspired, invigorated, and consistently reminded that there is so much more to the world than your everyday routine. Live in the present moment. When you are living in the present, you are living where life is happening right now, not ruminating over the past or stressing out about future events. You are in the here and now, which is really the only time that you have any control over your circumstances. The past is over, and the future is yet to come. The only time you can truly love your life is when you are experiencing the present moment. Choose happiness. We often think of happiness as something that happens to us rather than something we choose. However, only 10% of our happiness depends on our life circumstances. To start loving your life, make a conscious decision to start thinking more positively. It is important to remember that, while you can't always change what happens to you, you can change how you react to it. Rather than going with your instinctive reaction, try to look for the silver lining in situations. Try creating a happiness diary to help you, reflecting on all the things you have to be grateful for each day. Surround yourself with the right people. There's nothing wrong with relating to people or venting every now and again, but it's also important to surround yourself with people and conversations that leverage enthusiasm, excitement, and satisfaction. Spend time with people who build you up, see and encourage your strengths, and who are themselves living authentically. Energy is contagious, and if you're around positive energy and speaking with others in terms of positivity, you'll begin to restructure your thinking and, ultimately, the way you see and experience the world around you. Take charge of your life. This is your life. You need to take charge of it and take it where you want to go, not where you think you should go, where someone else wants you to go, or where you ended up because you didn't know where to go. I had no idea what I would do with the rest of my life. Then I figured out the thing I wanted to next, which led me to another idea, and now I'm in love with my work, something I never thought possible. Take charge and start moving in the direction of what you want, even if it's not clear what that is yet. You can start to investigate possibilities. Call an old friend. What was the best friend era you ever had? Call one of those friends. Connect over the phone. In this digital age, it is so special to actually receive a call from an old friend. Get nostalgic and lose yourself a bit. It might even inspire a spark in you. Practice forgiveness. Let past grudges fall by the wayside and allow people's present to overcome their pasts. You don't have to welcome them back into your life, but you do deserve to welcome peace back into yours. And forgiveness is an integral part of doing just that. Stop trying to please others. The truth is, you will never be able to please everybody, so why try? Your worth is dependent on no one else's approval. When you are busy trying to please others, you are not honoring your true self. The less you focus on others' opinions, the more time you get to focus on things that are important to you. Be your own best friend. In order to truly love your life, you need to start to love yourself. We often see ourselves in the worst light, particularly when life isn't going how we want it to. However, it is important not to be hard on yourself and blame yourself just because you feel something in your life hasn't worked out. Rather than focusing on harsh comparisons with others and all your perceived faults, try regularly reminding yourself of all the good qualities you have to offer and all the successes and achievements you have accomplished so far, and learn to appreciate the unique person that you are. Thanks for watching. Our channel is created and developed by a small team of enthusiasts. If we helped you, and you want to support us, click on the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. See you soon.